So I started my real estate career in 2014. And at the time, my husband and I were living paycheck to paycheck. We had 3 acres with an old mobile home on it with a couple horses out back to begin with. Was pregnant with our first child a year later. And that's really when everything started to change for us. I really began educating myself on the food that I was feeding my family. I was learning about a more sustainable lifestyle. And really, we just headed down a direction that really changed everything for us. Well, we started with backyard chickens, and then we purchased our own cattle, and then we moved to meat birds. So it's really kind of been quite a ride. On this channel, you will come alongside us as we build our homestead barn dominium, and I'll teach you how to find property and how to purchase it. I love food and all things baking, so you're definitely gonna see a ton of Southern cooking on here. My husband is a big do-it-yourselfer, so really there's a broad spectrum of things you'll just learn from this channel. End of the day, we're regular people just like you. We have careers, full-time careers, and we're dreaming of the day we can come work and stay on the farm. I am Katie Shoda, your homestead realtor. I would love for you to follow along as we grow our farm and learn a few things along the way.
And then like this video. Bye guys.